Before you use the toilet in your camper, slide the handle from closed to open. Then, and for every new tank, place in one of these chemicals. Then, when you're finished, and not before you've flushed, slide the handle from open to close. The flush button is behind the toilet seat cover. If the indicator is red, it means the toilet tank is full and needs to be emptied. In order to dump the toilet water, locate this tank near the cabin passenger entrance. Pull out the tank, twist the cap, first taking it where you need to take it, empty the tank and return it into its original position. You can empty the tank at various indicated places around Europe.